Today we are going to learn 1000s. We have already studied tens and hundreds in last grade, right? So now we will discuss 1000s, which means 1 by 1000. I will say a small example for this. Riya had 1000 rupees with her. If she spent 273 rupees out of 1000 rupees, can you say the decimal number that represents the money she had? Yes, that is 273 by 1000 is a fractional form. Now the decimal form is a 0.273. Okay, so we will see how to represent a number using decimal form. So Riya had 1000 rupees with her. Out of this 1000 rupees, how much she spent? She spent 273 rupees. Now we can denote it 273 by 1000. This is a fractional form. Then how can you write a same number by using decimal form? It's a simple 0.273 and 3. 0.273. How to read this? 0.273. Here don't read as 0.273. So after the decimal point, you have to read individual digits like a 273, not 273. Okay. So this is a representation of decimal. We know that when a square is divided into 10 equal parts, then a total number of parts are 10. See the decimal part here, 0.273. Here 0 is a whole part and 273 is a decimal part. So decimal number has two parts. First one is a whole part and second one is a decimal part. These two are differ by decimal point. Okay. Now look at the decimal part here. So 2 which denotes tenths means 1 by 10. And next digit 7 which denotes hundreds, 1 by 100. And the third one 3 which denotes thousands, 1 by 1000. Okay, this is the decimal representation of a given number. Now we will see the tens grid. We know that when a square is divided into 10 equal parts here and one part is shaded. Out of those 10, one is shaded. So simply we can represent it as 1 by 10 or else it is a 0.2. 1 by 10 is a fractional form. 0.2 is a decimal form. If out of 10 parts, 3 are shaded, how can you write a fraction here? We will write here 3 out of 10. It is a 3 by 10 and the decimal number as 0.3. Okay. Next, here out of 10 parts, 4 parts are colored. Then how can you denote by using fraction? 4 out of 10 or 0.4. So 4 by 10 is a fraction and 0.4 is a decimal number. Fraction and decimal both are same in the value. Next, out of 10, how many were colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So simply we can denote it by 8 by 10 as a fraction or 0.8 as a decimal. Okay, this is about tens grid. T E N THS, tens, which means 1 by 10. Okay. Look at this grid, Nana. This is hundreds grid. HUN, DRD 100, THS. Hundreds means 1 by 100. 1 out of 100. When each 1/10th part of hundreds grid or tens grid, when each 1/10th part of tens grid further divided into 10 equal parts, then the whole square gets divided into 100 equal parts here. Now here 1 is shaded out of 100. Then how can you denote it by fraction? Simply it is 1 out of 100, 1 by 100, or else 0.01. Okay. Now look at this picture, this grid. Here this total square is divided into 100 equal parts. Out of these 100 parts, how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are shaded, so we can denote it by 5 by 100 or 0.05. Okay, so 5 by 100 is a fraction, 0.05 is a decimal representation. Here total square again divided into 100 equal parts. How many are shaded here? 28. So it can be written as 28 by 100 or else 0.28. Here in the denominator 2 zeros, in the numerator we have 2 digits. So it is 0.28. Here out of these 100 equal parts, 30 parts were shaded. So it can be represented as 30 by 100 or else simply it is 0.3. Okay. This is a thousands grid. What is the name? THOUSANDTHS. Thousands, which means 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. So when each 1/100th part of the square is divided into 10 equal parts, the whole square gets divided into 1000 equal parts. Okay, so now we will see shaded parts. Here out of 1000 parts, how many are shaded here? If you see each small grid, this one has 10 equal parts. Like this, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 10, 100. So this first row is 100, second row is 200. This is 10, this is 10, 220, 1, 2, 222. So it means here total it is 222 out of 1000. This is a fraction. We can denote it by a decimal number 0.222. Don't read here as 0.222. Point after we will read individual digits. So 0.222. Here, if it is also divided into equal parts, we will get total 1000. Out of 1000, if you see first grid, this is a 10 equal parts. Out of 10, how many are shaded? 6. So 6 out of 1000. We will write it as 6 out of 1000. So what is the equivalent decimal number here? 0.006. Why we will get 2 zeros here means for the 1000 we have 3 zeros and only one digit in the numerator. So remaining 2 we are writing as zeros. So the answer is 0.006. If you see here, this is also thousands date, but how many parts are shaded? Here with orange color 200 and with purple color, here how many there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80. Okay. And with the green color only 6. So it can be denoted as 286 out of 1000, which means 0.286. Here we have in the denominator 3 digits and numerator also 3 digits, means in the denominator 3 zeros and in the numerator also 3 digits. So that we will write 286 by 1000 as 0.286. This is the way to represent decimal numbers. Okay.